dear friends and colleagues. My name is Dr. Viral Desai. I'm a cosmetic and plastic surgeon based in Mumbai, India. I grew up in a family of doctors and hence medicine always fascinated me. When I grew up, I wanted to be the best at what I do and hence I took up cosmetic surgery. It's a challenge to make people look better than what they look even presently. Let me take you around in my center, CPLSS, based in Mumbai, India, and show you what we are all about.
CPLSS Center was inaugurated by the great Indian actor Mr. Naseeruddin Shah and the famous Indian actress Miss Asha Parekh, along with the other dignitaries Mrs. Vasundhara Oberoi, Mr. Viren Shah, former governor of West Bengal, in the presence of the entire media. The CPLSS is a state-of-art ultra-modern center encompassing the latest equipment and technologies and dedicated completely to the patient quality care. Apart from latest equipment, technologies and quality patient care, CPLSS has a wonderful decoration which shows Dr. Viral Desai's own taste of interiors.
I am very passionate about my work and aesthetic surgery is all about passion. It is this passion that drives me to attain perfection. Each and every individual is different and special, and recognizing this quality in a person is what allows me to attain perfection and give first-class treatment.
So, let me tell you about Dr. Viral Desai, how he got here. Both his parents come from a medical background. His father is a radiologist and sonologist and mother is a gynecologist and obstetrician. Due to the early exposure, medicine always fascinated him.
What drew me to cosmetic surgery is that you see the changes instantly and the results are very, very gratifying. After doing my MS in general surgery from Tata Memorial Hospital, I joined Sir JJ Group of Hospitals for a course in plastic surgery called MCH. After completing this course, I did my DNB or Diploma in National Board, which is also recognized by all Commonwealth countries. These two are the highest level of degrees in the education field today, which I am proud of.
Dr. Viral Desai is the member of the following: All India Association of Plastic Surgeons, All India Association of Aesthetic Surgeons, Maharashtra Association of Plastic Surgeons, Consultant Association of India, Indian Medical Council IMA, Santa Cruz Medical Association, General Practitioner Association. Dr. Viral Desai did a fellowship for his advanced cosmetic and aesthetic surgery and laser training with Dr. Woffels Wu at Singapore, who is the inventor of WebTOS, non-surgical facelift, thread lift, considered today as a revolution in aesthetic surgery. While working with Dr. Woffels Wu, Dr. Viral Desai had fine-tuned the art of various surgical procedures like liposculpting, breast implants, eyelid surgeries, nose jobs, chin implants, etc. Today, he is an advanced Botox and filler user and trainer in India.
I have conducted various workshops for advanced Botox and fillers work in Singapore General Hospital and all over India.
His hard work and dedication paid off. His sincerity and honesty towards his job gave him the title Icon of Plastic and Cosmetic Surgery in India by RK HIV AIDS Research and Care Center and awarded by Cabinet Minister Mr. Jaiswal and Ms. Sheila Dikshit in 2010. He drew the attention of media with his extraordinary achievements in the medical field and became favorite among them.
Cosmetic surgery is the fastest growing medical field today. Cosmetic surgery is growing, especially in developing countries like India. It has shown a threefold increase year on year since the past 5 years. The number of procedures that we are doing are increasing tremendously. This is true not only for the major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, etc., but also for Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities.
Here we show you some examples what Dr. Viral Desai does at CPLSS. Priya is not happy with her chin. Mrs. Chopra is sad because she is not losing weight. Mr. Punjwani wants to have his hair back. And Mrs. Naidu wants to have big breast. Many of us mostly complain to God about their appearance and looks. Many keep cursing God and many come to Dr. Viral Desai.
DHI, also known as direct hair implant, is the world's leader and the most advanced technique for hair restoration today. DHI originated 41 years back in Greece and London, and since then it has been steadily expanding all over the world. It is now present in 33 countries. This technique was introduced in India by me 4 years back, and since then we have opened up 6 more centers all across the country, and we are planning 9 more centers in the next 2 years. Basically, this follows very 3 simple principles of no harm, that is no stitches, no scars, no pain, no bleeding, 100% natural results and maximum density in one session. And I am the pioneer and the medical director for DHI India. A slight change or modification in your lifestyle can really change you as a person and can change your life completely. It's not only about getting a surgery done and getting, it's not like getting a liposuction done to lose weight and you look slimmer the next day, okay? You may have a crooked nose and you may not be getting married, and just by getting a small thing like that corrected, not only gives you confidence but also increases your perspective. You may be bald and you may be in the sales field. Because of that, you may be not getting promoted, and just getting your hair back can completely change your life, give you the promotion that you always desired for. Your lifestyle can actually make you look good or bad, and this reflects in your personality on a day-to-day basis. Well, like everybody else, I also have a lot of hobbies. I used to love playing badminton, I used to love playing tennis, I used to love playing the guitar, and even I reached state level for playing the tabla. But because of my busy schedule, I had to let go of all my hobbies. And especially I had a family and I had 2 children, I had to let go because all my free time just goes with my children.
They started Sirla Hospital and ICU in 1970. Sirla Hospital started with 10-bedded nursing home, and now it is 30-bedded hospital with 7 ICU beds. A multi-speciality hospital with quality care.
You know you're ready for plastic surgery when you look in the mirror and you desire a change. That is the time when you need to visit a cosmetic surgeon and to understand what exactly are you looking at. To understand these needs and then to translate them into the final product and the final outcome is what philosophy of plastic surgery is all about. And this is what we follow strictly in each and every patient at CPLSS. Our philosophy at CPLSS is always to provide quality patient care. What makes us unique is to understand that each and every individual is different. His needs, his demands and his requirements are also very, very different. To understand these and to then translate them and give him the results, that is what our philosophy is all about.
This is how Dr. Viral Desai has achieved his goals and dreams in life. Hard work and dedication always pays off.
I hope you enjoyed the personalized tour of my career as well as my center, and maybe I might see you one day. To know more about me, you can reach me on my website www.drviraldesai.com. You can also write me a personalized mail and I will make sure that your queries are answered personally and to your satisfaction. I wish you all the best in life and a very passionate life ahead.